Alright, boys and girls, we're going to read a book for math, and then we're going to do our math activity. We're going to finish out the numbers and drawing the objects from 11 to 20. So let's read. This book is called Max and Sarah Build a Snowman. I'm Max. My sister's name is Sarah. We are playing hide and seek. I tell Sarah to hide. Now, boys and girls, we're going to stop right here, and on certain pages, I'm going to ask you to count some objects that are in the picture, and I'm going to see if you can say the number before I do. So we'll start with that shelf above the boy and the girl. Do you see it? Right above them. How many books are on that shelf? If you said 4, you're right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come. Sarah, where are you? I'm looking for you. I'm looking behind the chair. Boys and girls, how many books are on the floor behind the chair? That's right, 2. 1, 2. Sarah, where are you? I'm looking under the desk. Sarah, where are you? Boys and girls, look in that box right over here. How many toys are in the box or are hanging out of the box? That's right, there are 4 total. There's 1. First one's hanging out. 2, 3, and 4. 4 toys in the box. Come out now, or I'm not going to play with you. Here I am. Here I am. Here I am. Sarah says, Max, now it's your turn. I don't want to hide, says Max. Look at the snowman in the picture just above them. How many ovals make up that snowman? How many big ovals are there in that picture? That's right, there's 3. 1, 2, 3. I want to play in the snow. We can go outside, but we need ski pants, boots, hats, scarves, and gloves. Let's build a snowman, says Max. Mommy helps us. We work and work. We make 2 snowmen. A snow girl, a snow boy, just like us. Boys and girls, look at the snow girl right here. Look at her mouth. There's a lot of dots that make up that mouth. How many dots are there for the snow girl's mouth? That's right, there are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, boys and girls, we are done with that book. Now we're going to do our activity. Now, yesterday we drew the numbers 1 through 10, and then we drew objects underneath to represent that number. So now we're going to finish it out. We're going to do 11 through 20. So we're going to draw a lot of objects today. I did quite a lot of objects to draw, but I know you can do it. It's a big challenge, but I know you can as you count all the way up to 20. So we'll start right over here, and I'll go ahead and ask you to pause the video and get your piece of paper and a pencil, a crayon, or a marker, and then we're going to draw the numbers. Alright, you should have your piece of paper now and a pencil, and you're going to write 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And I said that kind of fast. You can go ahead and pause it and copy all these numbers, or just write them on your own. And you can write them any way you want, but it kind of makes it easy to write them just like this. You can draw a bunch of objects underneath them. So you can pause the video and go ahead and write all the numbers. Alright, boys and girls, you should have already written the numbers. So now underneath you can do any kind of objects that you would like. I did circles here, and then lines, and then rectangles, and then back over again. You can do stars, you can do cups, you can do cats, you can do dogs, or you can just do dots or lines, whatever you want. But go ahead and draw that amount of objects to represent, and I'll just go ahead and count a couple of them. This is 11, and it should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And let me go ahead and do this one way down over here. This is 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Alright, boys and girls, go ahead and finish this assignment, take a picture and upload it. And thank you for reading with me, and thank you for doing your math.